Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at Windows Fast Boot, what it is, and why you should possibly think about disabling it. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at Fast Boot from a remnant from Windows 8 and Windows 10, and you'll probably find if you've done a recent Windows update, it has actually been re-enabled by default. So if you're one of those people that has already had problems due to Fast Boot and the way it works, and you've tried to disable it, then there's a very strong possibility that after your updates, it's back again. So Fast Boot essentially is part of the power management or power saving states of Windows. And essentially what it does is makes a small file, a hybrid file, which is part of the Windows kernel, and then it reloads it when you reboot Windows. So it takes some of the time away from the boot time, but also reloads some of the information from your previous kernel entries. So what can that mean to most users? Well, if you're using some form of virtualization, or you're running some form of Linux on your system, or whatever it is you're doing, you may find there's problems with it because it's reloading part of the previous kernel as part of the Fast Boot process. Also, if you're trying to do a Windows update and you're getting failures, things like that, it's possibly because some of the settings are being retained from the previous session. So the question is, how do we go about disabling it? So let's go over to the computer and I'll show you how. So first of all, on the computer, if we have a look, one of the things you can do, if you fire up Task Manager, either from Alt-Control-Delete or just type in Task Manager in the search bar, if you look at your CPU's uptime in Task Manager, you may find that even if you just turned on your computer, not from a reboot, but from like a cold boot, you may find your system's uptime is quite high, 4 or 5 hours or whatever your last session was. So that's one way of knowing if it's actually enabled. So how do we disable it? So type in Control Panel, or just manually access your Control Panel from the Start menu, and go into Hardware and Sound, and then Power Options. Now what we want to do in the Power Plan section is to go into where it says choose what power buttons do. Now in this section, if you look in your shutdown settings, you'll find here you've got Turn on Fast Startup recommended. This helps your PC start faster after shutdown. Restart isn't affected, as I just mentioned. But you'll see this is all grayed out. So what we need to do is click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable, and then we can gain access to this. So all we need to do is literally just click on Turn on Fast Startup to remove the checkbox, click on Save Changes, and that is it. All we need to do. So now whenever Windows is shut down completely, it will erase that file, and the next kernel which is loaded will be a brand new fresh kernel, which will hopefully let you install your updates or do whatever it is you're doing without any issues. So there you go. There is how to disable the Fast Boot setting in Windows 10, which is, like I said, possibly been re-enabled recently. If you've got any comments or questions, stick them in the comments section below. But in the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.